issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Camden County in northeastern North Carolina, Pasquotank County in northeastern North Carolina, Perquimans County in northeastern North Carolina, Kerrville County in northeastern North Carolina, southern Chowan County in northeastern North Carolina, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Corolla to near Nixonton to near Cape Colony, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Elizabeth City, Weeksville, Burgess, Snug Harbor, Corolla, Whitehall Shores, Nixonton, Old Trap, and Shiloh around 6:45 p.m. Granby around 6:55 p.m. Point Harbor around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Bob White Fork, Holiday Island, Poplar Branch, Spot, Parkville, Glen Cove, Hancock, Eopham Station, Gregory, and Barco. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at